slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these off-white MoMA Air Force Ones. These are UA or rep pair. They are possibly set to re-release depending on what that post from Virgil meant when Savage Mode 2 dropped a picture of these. So we'll see if they re-release. If they haven't already, I don't really keep up with it, but I needed a fresh pair. I wore mine out literally to the bottom of the sole. Started bubbling and shit, so needed a new pair. These are from a new seller. So before I get into everything, if you guys are new to the channel and you do like what you see, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is always in the description. If you don't fuck with what you see or UA or rep products, you can click out the video right now. And last, a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Like I always say, I'm just showing y'all what you would get if you bought off a site like this. So before, that's all out of the way now, let's get into it, man. This is a new Yuppo seller. So here's all the information. So it is Ulrica, ULRICA688.x.yuppo.com. I forgot to put another dot after the Yuppo. So yeah, it's .x.yuppo.com. WhatsApp is right there as well. WeChat, Instagram is at Ulrica688. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the information. Let's take a look at the shoes, man. I wore these out, so if they're a little creased, I did wear them out today. They're bound to crease. The Air Force Ones, I don't really care about creasing, honestly. So yeah, this is the box it comes in. Size 13, they do have 13, yes sir. Black, metallic silver black. It's just a retail 150 USD. So as far as I know, these were only released at Art Basel, I think, or no, Museum of Modern Arts, somewhere in the US. I don't really know. Inside the box, there's no StockX stuff that came with these. I didn't ask for it, but I don't know if you asked for it, if you'd include it, probably. So got some Air Force paper, and that's pretty much it, man. Regular rest of the box, just simple, just as Force with a little Nike Air right here and laminate, or glossy text. And here are the shoes themselves. So y'all can be the judge. I'm just showing y'all what the shoe looks like. Looks good to me, honestly, man. But hey, I'm not no legit checker or expert, so just show y'all and you guys judge from then on. But yeah, I really liked the shoe when I had it. I wore it, like I said, down to the sole. Simple little shoe, black, got the white laces on there. You can wear them with pretty much anything, so that's what I really like about them, even though they're hyped. I run them to the ground. I don't really care about none of that. So but yeah, you guys can check over the shoe. I'm not gonna explain what's on it. For the most part, you guys should already know, but the quality looks good. Leather looks good, feels good as well, and there's no stitching flaws. There's no glue all over the place. So to me, the shoe looks good. Inside the shoe, got the Nike Air. It is starting to rub off a little bit just from me wearing it today, but that is typical with shoes in general, so kind of blows. I don't even know why they put designs on there unless it's actually printed into the fabric itself. So US 13 for the shoe size. These do only come with one pair of laces. On my old pair, I switched it out for black laces, black off-white laces. I don't really care to do it on this pair. It says off, and then Nike Air stitched in properly. Looks nice. This is leather. Oh, I don't know. Kind of feels like leather, like a little thin leather though. Already got a little stain there. Wipe right off, but yeah, you can see it creasing. Got those nice classic Air Force One creases right there. Besides that though, this is a good video though, because I know way back a lot of people asked where I got my old pair, just from like Instagram posts and stuff like that. And this is obviously a plug for a new pair, I guess. A lot of differences are gonna start selling these, especially now after Virgil posted that. A lot of people got re-hyped for them. But yeah, regular pair, black Forces, Virgilized, I guess. You can see all the mud from me wearing them earlier today. That does not come on the shoe when you buy it, obviously. You get a zip tie as well. So Off-White CO Nike C2017 zip tie. So that is when they originally released. That's why it says 2017 on it. It is not a new shoe by any means. But yeah, left shoe, man, These bitches look clean as fuck. So yeah, man, you guys be a judge on how they look. I'm honestly gonna again wear them to the ground. Same thing. Just cause how good they look. Go with everything I wear. Black on black on black. Y'all feel me? So can't go wrong with a pair of black forces, especially when they are off-white. Honestly, sometimes it's nicer to not be flashy like that and just wear a pair of regular black forces, but I'm not spending no money on retail, and I don't want to buy rep or UA black forces, so this will do. You can see leather, the shine on leather is actually really nice. Yeah, shoelaces. The text is supposed to look like that. It looks different on these compared to any other off-white release. So text has always been a little squished on these. The shoe tongue. And yeah, so pretty dope. Get the size tag in there, size 13, Nike, little rub off there, none major with the little off-white logo. But yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. Let me know your guys thoughts on these in the comment section down below, as per usual. If you're on our YouTube channel, you know what to do. Show your boys some love. Current viewers of mine, appreciate the love. And any viewers that don't like what they see, can click out the video. It's as simple as that. So with all that being said, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. New seller, if you want, I don't condone it, go check out his Yupo. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And I'm gonna end on that note. Hopefully you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.